This project is office cab tracking system with a security facility using GSM GPS. Here audio connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with the power supply, 16:2 LCD, GSM GPS connected to Arduino through UART. 3 buttons connected to Arduino digital pins respectively. Here GPS module and its antenna. Antenna always faces to sky. We have to keep GPS module in open environment with open sky. GPS will take long time to get accurate values in indoor, so keep it in open environment. Here we have open environment. Sometimes GPS will take a few minutes to get a latitude and longitude values. Now power on this. GSM initializing. On LCD it is asking send a message to your mobile number. Now we have to send SAR mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. Here we can track cab and we have some security facilities. With the help of GPS, cab location will send to the registered mobile number. Here registered mobile number could be passenger parents or his well-wishers and passengers can have registered mobile number. Here this key to intimate about help. On LCD, S means SMS sending. This key to intimate about accident. This key to intimate about breakdown. For every 30 seconds time of interval, we will get the cab information to the registered mobile number. By sending request SMS star as hash, you can get the cab location.